Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix Battlefield RedSec not launching, crashing or stuck on the splash black screen on your PC.
Fix 1. Run the game as administrator. Step 1. Right-click on the Battlefield RedSec shortcut or X file. Step 2. Click Properties Compatibility. Step 3. Check Run this program as an administrator. Step 4. Click Apply OK. Then try launching the game again. Fix 2. Verify game files. Step 1. Open your game launcher, Steam, EA app, or Epic Games. Step 2. Go to Library Battlefield RedSec. Step 3. Click Manage, verify integrity of game files, or repair game on EA app. Step 4. Wait for the process to finish and relaunch the game. Fix 3. Update graphics drivers. Step 1. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin app. Step 2. Check for latest driver updates. Step 3. Install the update and restart your PC before launching the game again. Fix 4. Clear game cache. Step 1. Press Win plus R, type %temp%, and press Enter. Step 2. Delete all temporary files. Step 3. Also delete cache folders from Documents, Battlefield RedSec cache, if available. Step 4. Restart your PC and try again.